there, boys and girls, and welcome to another class of vocabulary. I am Miss Amy, and today for vocabulary, we are going to be talking about gender of animals. Did you know that for some animals, they are special names for the males and females? So today, we are going to be looking at some animals and the special names given to the male and the female. Now take a look at this animal. This is a cat. The general name for this animal is a cat. But the male cat is called Tom. And the female cat is called Queen. Say that with me. The male cat is Tom and the female cat is Queen. Now let's move on to another animal. Here you have many persons. We call this animal a chicken. But the male for this animal is Rooster. What is the male for this animal? A rooster. And the female is called hen. So when you see this animal and it's a male, what do we say? Rooster. And the female is a hen. Now here is a very beautiful one. This is a bee. The general name for this animal is a bee. But the male is called a drone. Say that with me, boys and girls. Drone. And the female is bee. So we have female bee, male drone. Next, we have a fox. Now, if you see a male of this animal, we say it's a tod or fox. But if we see the female, we call the female vixen. Can you say that with me? Vixen. So the male is called tod or fox and the female is called vixen. Now here is a very popular animal. We see this animal all around us. Sometimes this animal is even in our yard. We say it's a duck. But did you know, boys and girls, that you have the male and female of this animal? So the male is called a drake. Let's spell drake. D-R-A-K-E. Drake. So the male for this animal is a drake. And the female is a duck. So when you see this animal swimming around in the pond, and if we know it's a male, we say it's a drake. Okay, boys and girls? So next time, make sure you use the correct name. Now here is a very scary animal. This animal is a lion. The male for this animal is a lion, but the female is called a lioness. So when you go to the zoo, or if you're in the forest and you come across this animal and it's a female, we say it's a lioness. Okay, boys and girls? Now here are some other special names for the males and females of animals. We have a goose. The male for a goose is gander and the female is goose. Now we have a peacock. The general name is peacock and the male is also called a peacock. But guess what the female is called? The female is called peahen. The female is called peahen. Now, here is another animal. This is a tiger. The general name for this animal is a tiger. And the male is also called a tiger, but the female, boys and girls, is called a tigress. The female is called tigress. So you see, boys and girls, the male and female of animals, they have special names. And today we learned about some special names given to the males and females. So take a look at this picture. Let's see if we can remember what we just learned. This is a duck. The general name is a duck. Now let's say that Uncle Paul saw the male of this animal swimming in a pond. We will call that animal a drake. Very good. The male of this animal is a drake. Now, I have two more pictures for us. What do we call the male for this animal? The male for this animal is a toad or fox. Okay? Now, let's say the male for this animal is buzzing around the tree. We can say that the drone is buzzing around the tree. The male for a bee is the drone. The male is called drone. Okay, boys and girls, so until next time, this is Miss Amy saying goodbye, everyone.